In this video, we will see how to install Python. Python can be installed in several ways. One of the way to install Python is by visiting the site python.org. Python.org. There in download, you will get the latest version of the Python. This is the plain Python. You can download according to the system configuration for Windows or for Linux or Mac. This is one of the way to install Python. If you install this plain Python, you can open a tool called idle. If you install Python, a tool idle will be installed by default, and you can open that idle and you can open a new file and you can write a code like print hello, and you can run this code by pressing F5 or run. It should be saved before you run. You have to give one name for it, and if you run it, you can run it and it will print hello. This is one of the way to install Python. Another way to install Python is using Anaconda distribution. If Anaconda distribution is installed, several tools will be installed. IDE tools will be installed by default. It can be installed, and Python will also be installed at the back end. You can visit the website. You can type Anaconda distribution in Google and visit the site Anaconda distribution, anaconda.com. There you can download according to your system configuration, like for Windows, Mac or Linux. Once you download, you can install it easily, and when you open Anaconda Navigator, a screen like this will appear. As I have installed previously, there are several like PyCharm is there, some VS Code is there, but for in your system they may not appear. You need it now also. If Python is installed at the back end, and you can launch Jupyter Notebook here. In that you can run the codes. Once you launch the Jupyter Notebook, it will open in any of the browser, and you can open Python 3 and you can type the codes here line by line. This is the second way to install Python. And here to run, you can use this run button, or you can use shift plus enter. Shift and enter together, if you press, it will execute the code. This is all for how to install Python.